What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Scent with Chloe. As requested, so many of you guys want to see my styling of how I kind of blend everyday decor with our scented products. So we're going to get started in just a minute. And one thing I want to tell you guys, and I know that I share my Scentsy on this channel, and I don't talk a lot about decor, but I love utilizing decor in a bunch of different ways. So what you're going to see me doing today is moving stuff around and putting things on this table that I already had in different parts of my house. So we're going to start obviously with these mirrors. I'm going to replace the mirror that was already up here with a more circular mirror that's obviously a different shape, a different color, a different vibe, because you don't have to go out and spend a lot of money or any money on decorating a space. Just pull items from different places in your house, and that's going to save you a couple $100. So I want to start with that, and then that's going to give you more money for Scentsy. It's like girl math. It's so smart. Then you can get all your spring stuff. And I will be talking about this as well, but every product you're going to see in all of these scented styling videos, we're going to do a series throughout the house that y'all are going to see on my channel, so make sure you're subscribed. But they are all going to be with brand new products that are available March 1st in our spring collection. So I'm going to have Justin come over, and he's going to first, well, we're going to remove this. This will probably go, here, take it. This will probably go in the kitchen, which it needs to go there anyways because it's white, it's longer. And I love circular anything, like my chandelier in my living room is circular. So he's going to put up this mirror. This will kind of be like the focal point. So one thing I like to do when I'm styling an area is on that back wall, you want a focal point. It could be a mirror. It could be a collage of photos. It could be like two different items, like a mirror and a really cool, like decorative Art Deco kind of picture. But you do want to make sure that you do have a focal point whenever you are styling something. And so I'll also move this down just a little bit. All right, that looks good. All right. Okay, so next I kind of like to put out, so warmers always go out last when I'm styling anything because I like to know what I'm going to put the warmers on and that kind of thing. So I like to use a lot of greenery. All right, so I'm going to be popping down underneath here to get some different items out. But I like to incorporate a bunch of real life greens, especially in the spring, because that's when you have just your brighter scents. That's when the sun's coming out. So I have some greens that I'm going to put out. These I got at Trader Joe's, I believe. But I'm going to go ahead and stick those out. And then I love like this kind of texture on vases like this. So I'm going to put this vase here. You'll also probably see me as I'm styling this move stuff around multiple times. I'm very visual, and so I build things with my eyes and with my hands. So I'm not like a big reader. I'm like, let me go into a space and let me feel what it feels like and let me move a bunch of stuff around. And so next I'm going to get this little stand. I've also got some books. I like to kind of heighten things. So you can see I'm already moving stuff around. I'll probably put a warmer here somewhere in the back. Room sprays are a must. I am going to go ahead and set this out because this will be somewhere on this counter at the end. Our new room sprays are water soluble, which means you're not going to slip and slide whenever they spray in the air and get on your floor. I have LVP on my floors. So the old formula could be a little bit slippery. So that formula is great. I'm also going to take this dish out. This is going to be what I put my wax in. I love having really easy access to my fragrance that I'm going to use. And this is from an antique store. So you can get, by the way, like these kinds of little dishes, you can get at antique stores. The stands you can get, I think I got this one on Wayfair or Amazon. That's a little harder to find in a store, but these are always in Target. This was from Target. So now I'm going to put a few pictures around. Not too many, but actually I may do a lot because I don't have much that's going to go in the middle. So I'm going to do some photos. It doesn't matter what the sizes are. It doesn't have to be perfect. You just want it to feel, full. Now, some people may like a space that's cleaner and more breathable, so you don't have to have photos at your space, but this is our living room. And so this is a place that we're watching TV a lot together and we're spending a lot of time together. So I love seeing pictures of the kids when I'm in the living room. Let's see. I'm going to start with the warmers. So now that you can see this space is pretty good to go, pretty styled. That was really simple. Again, everything that I'm styling this with is from my home. Actually, wait. See, this is just what I do, y'all. I just be moving stuff. I'm going to take some books, and I think that I'm going to put a warmer on that. We're going to move him here for right now, that little palm baby, and we are going to see what I'm going to do with that stand. But I want to put a warmer actually on those books, which some people will be like, oh my gosh, the wax. Honestly, if wax gets on here, I can scrape it right off. So the first warmer we're going to open, and I may have you come closer, Justin, for that, is the Etched Hummingbird Warmer. This is a brand new warmer, so I am super excited to see what this looks like on. I'm a big lover of birds. Like, we literally have bird feeders that we watch. Justin is filming this and he knows, like, we have a bird book. Like, we watch the birds eat the bird food. So if you are like a bird lover, or if you just love like the symbolism of a bird, of being free, right? This is a beautiful warmer. So this will be new in our collection. Every warmer that we have that is a bulb warmer, meaning that you have to have a bulb for it to work, it comes with a bulb. A lot of people will ask me that sometimes. And it does come with a bulb. And then I always have bulbs on hand if you need extra. And they're on my website. So we're going to go ahead and take the cord off of this. All right. And I think this hummingbird, I don't know. What is the other one? I have another new warmer. I'm trying to decide where I want to put them. And it's okay, like, when you're styling, to have fun with what you're decorating. Like, having fun with it, I think, is really, really important. And knowing that this is your sacred space and you want it to feel good. So I don't even know. Should I put the hummingbird here? Maybe. I really feel like it needs to be where the books are. Yeah, it needs to be here. All right, so we're going to put that here. And I'm going to plug it in. All right, so we're going to plug this warmer in. We're going to see what's happening. And it does have a switch. Oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. It's going to be so pretty at night. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so pretty at night. So Justin can zoom in on it. I'm going to keep the room spray right there. So what's this for? I don't think I need this. I only have two things I'm plugging in. So I love the detail on this warmer. This is a porcelain warmer. I love what it puts off onto the wall. So you can see with the light off, this isn't even obviously nighttime, it's daytime here. But you can see the florals, the greenery, obviously the hummingbird, which is one of the most beautiful birds ever. It's super hard to see those. But I just love how this looks right here. So it's all about how it makes you feel whenever you're styling and decorating. And I love a glow warmer. Okay, so I'll turn the light back on. So this is what I call a full glow warmer. So if you've never ordered Scentsy before, this is like going to give you the highest amount of light. This is going to give you the brightest experience. A lot of them cascade stuff on the walls, okay? So that is our Etched Hummingbird warmer. The next one I'm going to style is Sunset Sands, and this is also in our new collection. Very excited to open this. It looks very like pottery-like. You're always going to get your information whenever you order our warmers and warranty information, safety information. I don't know if I shared this. Ooh, I love this color. I'm super into brown right now. I always am. But inside the dish, you're going to see a number, and that's going to tell you how many cubes you should use. So fun fact, but this is the warmer dish that you put your wax in. I am already loving what this looks like because, again, I really, really love neutrals. I love earth tones. I love greens and whites and golds and taupes and browns. This is a 40-watt bulb. So this one is bigger than the 25-watt bulb. We have multiple bulb sizes, and so when you get your warmer, just keep that in mind. You always want to make sure that when you change out your bulb that you use Scentsy bulbs, okay, so you don't short your warmer out. Oh, wow. Okay. I don't even know where to go from here with this. So Sunset Sands, this is like one of my favorite warmers of all time. Oh my gosh. So it has like this copper glitter and these browns and it's iridescent. I literally can't wait to see it on, but this fits perfectly here. So I'm glad I chose this side for this one. Your heart always knows where a warmer should go, you guys. So always go with that instinct whenever you are moving them around. Okay. So Sunset Sands. Let's see if it lives up to the name. So I'm going to put the bulb in. Okay. Put the bulb in. Put the dish on. And then we're going to just slide this down so I can plug this one in. I absolutely love. Can they see you? Justin is he is on the ground plugging this in right now. And you can turn it on. So he's about to flip it on. Oh my gosh. Y'all, make sure if you get this warmer, listen, make sure if you get this warmer, and I'm going to have Justin zoom in a minute, make sure that you put some plants around this. This needs real life plants. It's beautiful. What do you think of it? Do you like it? Okay, so I'm going to turn the light off so you guys can see the difference. And it's just absolutely stunning, you guys. Like, I love the fact that the brown is not super brown, but it has like